What if we dug a tunnel all the way to the center of the Earth? Imagine falling. Okay, I know this sounds ridiculous, and no, it wasn't my idea, but still, let's dig in. Literally, first, gravity. As you fall, it gets weaker, faster at first, then slower, until it hits zero at the center. Next, pressure. The deeper you go, the more crushing it gets. Forget vacuum, you're turning into a meat pancake. And temperature? Oh, fun! It rises about 1 dC every 30 meters. By the core, it's hotter than the sun's surface. Hope you brought sunscreen. And the fall time? 42 minutes, assuming you don't melt halfway down. At the center, gravity is zero. You'd swing back and forth like a giant screaming human pendulum. Why go to the office when I can bounce through the earth all day? Also, my smartwatch thinks I did 5,000 steps. Win-win. The tunnel would literally cook you before you got halfway. But hey, we can dream. Subscribe for more absurd science and leave your what if question in the comments below.